Hey YouTube, welcome back! I got snack pack, brownie caramel swirl pudding. Yes, please, let's open it. I'm just so hyper, so excited actually. Yep. Let me show you what it looks like first. Did I? Let's open it now. I'm so hyper and happy. I don't want both of these cups. So if I could, I don't like these. See, it's not snapping apart. I hate that. Really do. See, like the cup's supposed to snap apart when you bend it. It's just not. There we go. Let me open this snack pack. Brownie swirl. Dig in. Yep. Hope it tastes great. This pudding looks good. OMG, that's a 10 out of 10. Oh, yeah. I'm eating this. That's really good. This is so good. It's a 10 out of 10. An ace for me. That was definitely an ace for me. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, comment down below. Peace out, y'all. Bye!